When I was a new trader, I would hear all the time, trade the opening bell, trade the opening bell. If you don't know what the opening bell is, that's when the stock market opens at 9:30, right? And the reason why people say trade the opening bell because the stock market has its highest volatility within like the first and last hour of the day, right? So I used to just jump right in after like 5 minutes and get shooken out by that crazy momentum. So I want to go over why you should wait a little bit before jumping right into the trade. So I'm gonna pull out the chart. I'm gonna let you know why you should wait a little minute before getting in the trade. You want the stock market to tell you a little story first, right? So let me get into it. This was AMD on Friday, right? So the stock market opened here on this big bullish candle. That was 9:30, right? So if you look, that's the biggest or second biggest candle of the day. Now that is why they say trade to open, because that's when you're going to get some of the biggest candles. But look at this. So, and y'all excuse all the lines and everything. I keep my chart kind of busy, but this is a historical line of support. If you don't know what support is, that is where a stock normally gets rejected, right? So stock market open, first candle touch support, got rejected. Resistance, touch resistance, got rejected, touch resistance, got rejected. Now this next candle burst through, right? Now that could have been confusing because with that candle busting through that resistance level, it could have been confusing to where you like, okay, this is bullish, plus this is giving a bull flag vibe, right? So you could have assumed, okay, take this candle up and got shaken out of your money right there. But first you got to look at the whole story. So we got the Bollinger Band right here, right? That's the top line of the Bollinger Band, and this green line is the bottom line of the Bollinger Band. The stock, for the most part, trades inside the Bollinger Band. So if it goes outside of the Bollinger Band, it's overbought. If it goes outside, beneath, or below the Bollinger Band, it's oversold. So it went outside the Bollinger Band, coming close to a historical level of resistance, which I have drawn there. That's pre-drawn. That's not something that I put on the chart. That comes with the chart. That's pre-drawn. So also, if you were planning to do this breakout and you would have looked at the indicators, the stochastic is overbought. The RSI is overbought. And the MACD crossed. This right here would have been the best entry on a day. You could have rolled these three candles down, got out in 15 minutes, and made you, I don't know, anywhere from 800 to 1500. Easy. So, and if you would have held longer, you could have got even more profit. But I see profit, I take profit. So that's why I think the stock market should not be traded as soon as the stock market opens, because you want the stock market to tell you a story first. As you can see, it consolidated for like the first, so 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, for like the first 30 minutes and consolidated. Then it looked like it was going to break out. But I had my support, I had the Bollinger Band, and I had this pivot point, which is an indicator. You go into indicators and you can add pivot point. I had all of that up top. So I was looking to see either if it was going to break and retest, or if it was going to come down, and it did exactly like I thought. Whole bunch of money in a 15-minute trade. I personally feel like you should wait at least 15 minutes before getting in a trade. One thing some traders like to do is they wait 15 minutes, and then if the stock either breaks out of the high or the low of that 15 minutes, then you get in the trade and do it like that, right? I don't really go off of that, but I pay attention to it a little bit. But really, I'm looking for a nice breakout. I'm looking for a nice breakout coming down from resistance or coming up from support. and I'm waiting a little bit for the story to unfold. I already got my levels drawn out, my moving averages, Bollinger Band, I already got all that. So I'm waiting for the right moment, waiting for the stock market to give me more information on that day. The day before, you go in the chart, you know, you draw your lines, you support, you Bollinger Band, you do all of that. But the day of, during the price action, after 9:30, you want to sit, you want to wait, you want to see what the stock market is going to give you. It's telling a story. As long as you follow the story, you'll be profitable, man. Make sure you like and subscribe for day trading content. I got podcasts. I got, and I'm going to start going live doing swing trading content every Sunday, which Sunday is tomorrow. So I'll be doing my second swing trade. So tomorrow, Sunday, I'll be doing my second swing trade possibility for next week. If you want to see that, man, check me out tomorrow. I'll also show you events and tours that you can go on. Very detailed travel itinerary.
What you doing?
I'm watching Mike the Money Motivator. I'm trying to get rich. You just came from spending money, didn't you? Easily list yourself on Fiverr.